Hey guys, JV here again from InfoHut with another little guide on people having issues with their iPad or iPhone that's not updating to the latest iOS. And what I mean by that is it's downloaded and you're trying to install it. So what you do is click install. And you'll get verifying update, and then it will come up with this error message. Now, there's a few things that we can do, and this is what happens is unable to install update, error occurred installing iPad iOS 15. iPad OS 15. Okay, so now what we need to do is go through a few troubleshooting issues. Our device, restart it, turn it back on. Very basic, very important to do though. Sometimes it refreshes a few things. Now, the second is to check if your device does support iOS 15. The good thing is that you wouldn't be able to download it if it didn't support it. And obviously yours will support it if you have downloaded it. And the third is freeing up some space. So what you need to do is check your space that you have available on your iPhone or iPad, and I'll just show you how we find that out here. So we go to general, then from general we go to iPad storage, and then we check how much is used. And you can see that 14.8 GB of 16 is used. So it's safe to say that this might trigger the reason why this iPad is not occurring, of not updating. So I'll need to remove some apps on here, some photos, free up space, and then you can see what's taking up majority of the space here. Okay, so very easy. Now, if that doesn't work, you need to delete the downloaded firmware and re-download it again. So sometimes it could be some type of corruption when it's downloading and it needs to be re-downloaded again. So what we do is we go to settings, we go to general, and then we go to iPad storage, and then you'll see that it has iPad OS 15 or iOS 15 for iPhone users, and then you click on delete update, and then you re-download that again. So if that doesn't work, once again we need to go down to the path of looking at another software type issue. So what we do is we go to general and then go back to reset and reset network settings. So you want to reset the network connection and refresh everything, and that hopefully does fix it on some occasions. Now finally, if none of that does work, the only thing that I can suggest for you to do is after that is back up your stuff to iCloud or even iTunes, and then update your device via iTunes, or even do erase all content and settings as an extreme measure. And then once it's updated again, it should download the latest iOS 15 or iPad OS 15. So the great thing is that if you follow these steps one by one, there's a high probability that you will find a solution and the problem will be fixed. Now, if you haven't, please let me know. Drop a comment below because I'll reply and try to see if I can help, because it is important that we do install the latest iOS update. It's got like all these security features and some bonus features that Apple have released. So once again, please like, please subscribe. Any questions, drop a comment below.